Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here is 2003 Golf TDI and I would like to use this car to show you how to check for the wheel bearing play. And this is really very simple. First you have to make sure that your vehicle is perfectly secure and there's no chance it can fall down, right? Because I will be grabbing this wheel down here and up here and basically try to check for some kind of play. So it's 12 hours and 6 hours on the clock, right? And this is checking for the wheel bearing play. Obviously you do it with the wheels still attached, because if you will be trying to grabbing just the hub, you don't have that leverage. So this is perfect, and I can tell you absolutely for sure this wheel bearing here it's perfect. Well, let's go and move to the other side and see if it's also through here. So again, the same procedure, right? I'm grabbing the top and the bottom. I'm rotating it around, but the wheel bearings in both these fronts are perfect. You can see it's nicely rotating, just the brake pads are a little bit slowing it down. Not sure if it's all lubricated correctly. But these wheel bearings are just perfect. I have no doubt about it. And believe it or not, this is how easy it is. That's all what it is to it. Now we know that this car front wheel bearings are okay. Thanks for watching this very short video and make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. See ya!